Hi, my name is John Omvik, Vice President of Marketing for Unified Color Technologies. Today I'm thrilled to be able to introduce two brand new and exciting HDR programs for you. The first one is called HDR Expose 2. This is our flagship model. It's a standalone, full-featured 32-bit color editing application. It also includes plugins for Lightroom and Apple's Aperture software. The next product is called 32 Float version 2. 32 Float shares much of the same functionality that HDR Expose has, but does this as a Photoshop filter plugin. So now you'll be able to take the full advantage and power of this 32-bit color editor and integrate it into a layered image workflow inside of Photoshop. Let's take a quick look at some of the key features and functionality of these new products. First of all, when you look at the software, you notice that everything is interactive. We have a new real-time engine here that tremendously increases the performance of the product. Every move you make, every adjustment you make is instantly updated on the full resolution image. We're not talking about downsampled versions or previews or proxies. This is the full 32-bit color image that we're working on. You'll see that the user interface has been completely redesigned. Now all of the operations panels are in a logical workflow. You start off with a tone mapping panel, and then you progress down through tone tuning and color changes until you're done with your image. We've also added brand new user-definable presets. We ship a couple that we think you might like, and you can use those as a starting point and then go on and make modifications and save your own presets. So now you can essentially process a whole HDR image with a single mouse click. The batch processing tool is brand new. We've completely redesigned it from the ground up. Now you simply point to a folder that contains your original images, and HDR Expose will automatically group the images together from your exposure sequences. You can see that you can have sequences of different sizes and different lengths, and it'll automatically group these and merge the images into 32-bit files. Once the images have been merged to 32 bits, you can then either take them into the application itself and edit them on an individual basis, or you can use the batch processing feature to process these individual HDR files for output. One really cool feature that we've added is the ability to select multiple user presets in the batch mode. So now you can take the same image and create 5 different copies with different preset treatments. This is a huge workflow improvement for anybody who's doing high volume HDR photography. HDR Expose 2 and 32 Float are based off of unified colors beyond RGB color space. The beauty of this color space is that we completely separate the brightness channel from the color channel of the image. So all of the complex moves and manipulations that you have to make for an HDR image are done on the contrast or the brightness channel. You're able to make these adjustments with full 32-bit floating point precision. The telltale signs of halos and color shifts that are usually associated with high dynamic range images are now gone. Our goal is to recreate the original scene as close as possible, because your eyes are the best HDR sensors there really are. We're really excited about these new products, and I think you will be too. We've posted free 30-day trial downloads on our website so that you can take the software, download it onto your own computer, and try it with your own images. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a chance to try out our software and see what a difference true color HDR can really make.